All right, you had to subtract a mixed number in these ones. So if you started at 1 and 5/8, well, I know this is a whole. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. Oops, I counted too many. Oh my goodness. 8/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. So there's my first jump. That shows where I am. And then they want us to go back 4/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. So we're going back 4/8. So my answer would be 8/8, 9/8, which you should start seeing that this is the same as 1, because we're at the whole, and we have one more 8. 1 and 1/8. Now we have to do it again. So we have one whole, and then we have to go 5/8 for 1 and 5/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. Make our jump all the way back. And then they want us to go back a whole. A whole with 8s would be 8/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So that means we're at 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. Now we can't write 5/8 anywhere else because it's under a whole. Now here was the tricky one. They want us to go to 1 and 5/8, so here's my whole. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, and there's my first jump. But now they want us to go back a whole and 4/8. So I know that a whole is 8/8. So I could go back 8/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I need to go back 4 more 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 1/8.